Hello and welcome to Inspire Academy Elementary English. We are now on Unit 18. My name is Sarah and I will be your teacher today. What will you learn in Unit 18? We will learn about the simple past tense of the verbs to be and to have. Regular verbs, we'll look at the negative form and we'll look at some sentence examples. Let's get started. The verb to be. We're going to look at the present form of the verb to be, the past form of the verb to be, the present sentence, and a past sentence. The present sentence and past sentence are examples of how you would use the verb to be in the present tense and the past tense in sentences. So let's get started with this. The present form of the verb to be, I am. Past, I was. Present sentence, I am here. Past sentence, I was here. You are, you were, you are here, you were here. She is, he is, it is, she is, he is, it was. She, he, it is here. He, she, it was here. We are, we were, we are here, we were here. They are, they were, they are here, they were here. What about the negative form? What if you want to say, no, I was not here? The negative form is the opposite of the positive form, which is I am here. I am here is the positive form. The negative, I am not, no, I am not here. So let's go through the present positive and negative and the past positive and negative. Okay, so let's go through the negative form of the verb to be. I am not, I was not, I am not here, I was not here. You are not, you were not, you are not here, you were not here. You are not here, present negative. You were not here, past negative. She is not, he is not, it is not, she was not, he was not, it was not. She, he, or it is not here, she, he, or it was not here. We are not, we were not, we are not here, we were not here. They are not, they were not, they are not here, they were not here. To have. So now we're going to look at the verb to have. We'll look at the present to have, the past to have. We'll look at a present sentence and a past sentence. I have, present. I have, past. I had. Present sentence, I have ice cream. Past sentence, I had ice cream. Present, you have. Past, you had. You have ice cream. You had ice cream. He, she, or it has. He, she, or it had. Present sentence. It has ice cream. It had ice cream. She has ice cream. She had ice cream. Okay. We have We had is the past. We have ice cream, present. We had ice cream. As you can see from the picture up above, he dropped his ice cream, so he had ice cream, but now he doesn't have ice cream because it's on the floor. So he does not have ice cream. He had ice cream. They have, they had. They have ice cream. They had ice cream. The negative form of the verb to have. I do not have. You do not have. So I do not have. I did not have. I did not have. I do not have ice cream. I did not have ice cream. You do not have ice cream. You did not have ice cream. You do not have ice cream. You did not have ice cream. He, she, and it does not have ice cream. That's the present tense. He does not have ice cream. She does not have ice cream. It does not have ice cream. Past. She, he, and it did not have ice cream. He, she, and it does not have ice cream. He, she, and it in the past, he, she, or it did not have ice cream. We do not have ice cream. We did not have. We do not have. We did not have. We do not have ice cream. We did not have ice cream. They do not have. They did not have. They do not have ice cream. Present. They did not have ice cream is past. Present. So short negative forms of the verbs to have and to be. So for the short negative forms, we remove the O from not, and we put an apostrophe instead of the O. So it ends up as N apostrophe T. So let's look at the short negative form of the verb to be. I'm not. So the apostrophe here is apostrophe I, and instead of I am not, it becomes I'm not. The apostrophe takes the place of the A, in am. So I'm not. You aren't. So instead of saying you are not, you say you aren't. He, she, it isn't. Instead of saying he, she, is, it is not, you say he, she, it isn't. We aren't, they aren't, I don't have, you don't have, he, she, it doesn't have, we don't have, they don't have. Okay, so these are the present short negative forms of to have and to be. Let's go to past. Past negative forms of the verbs to have and to be. I wasn't, you weren't, he and she wasn't, we weren't, they weren't, I didn't have, you didn't have, he, she, it didn't have, we didn't have, they didn't have. So the only thing we did was we took out the O in did not and replaced it with an apostrophe. It makes a lot of people in speaking use the short negative forms of the verbs to be and to have. So let's look at the sentences, present sentences. I'm not here, you aren't here, they aren't here, he, she, and it isn't here, we aren't here, they aren't here. I don't have ice cream, you don't have ice cream, he, she, and it doesn't have ice cream, we don't have ice cream, they don't have ice cream. See how he, she, and it is different. Past sentences in the short negative form. I wasn't here, they weren't here, he, she, and it wasn't here, we weren't here, they weren't here, I didn't have ice cream, you didn't have ice cream, he, she, and it didn't have ice cream, we didn't have ice cream, they didn't have ice cream. Try to form your own sentences in the short negative forms of the verbs to be, and to have. Present and past negative forms of to be. There are two correct ways to say it. You can either say you're not or you aren't. I'm not walking, I'm running. They're not dancing, they aren't dancing, they're singing. We aren't talking, we're not talking, we're silent. You aren't on time, you're not on time, you were late. The scenery wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. It was very nice. They weren't playing. They were swimming. So you can say aren't or you're not. Okay? You aren't or you're not. Either form is okay. The verbs to be and to have. So in this little paragraph, try to find the verb, the past and the present verbs of to be and to have. It is Sunday morning. I am home. I do not have work today. Sunday is my day off work. I have school from Monday to Friday. I was at school last week. I had fun at the beach on Saturday. In the evening, we went to a restaurant. The past and present verbs are of to be and to have. It is Sunday morning. Is the present form of the verb to be. I am at home. Present form of the verb to be. I am. I do not have work today. I don't have work today. So it's the present, but it's negative. Present form of the verb to have, negative. Sunday is my day off work. Present. I have school from Monday to Friday. Present form of the verb to have. I was at school last week. Past form of the verb to be. I had fun at the beach on Saturday. That was the past form of the verb to have. Then in the evening we went to a restaurant. Past form of the verb to be. Knowledge check. Choose the correct sentences. They are they're happy. They aren't walking. They're not running. They aren't sad. It's not daytime. They're not at the coffee shop. They aren't at the beach. The correct sentences are: they aren't sad. They're not at the coffee shop. They aren't at the beach. Knowledge check. Choose the correct sentences. Yesterday, number 1, I was at work. We had a meeting. My manager was happy. I did not work from home. We didn't have coffee or tea at work. I didn't bring my computer to the office. Which of these sentences, look at the photo and choose which of these sentences is correct. All of these sentences are correct, except for we didn't have coffee or tea at work. As you can see, there are coffee cups on the table. Review. We took a look at the past and present tenses of the verbs to be and to have. We looked at regular verbs in the negative form, and we looked at some sentence examples. That's all for today. Have a great day.